In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, being able to run and interpret reports is crucial for maintaining your finances effectively. Let's walk through this process together, and I'll provide some tips along the way to make it as seamless as possible. First, you need to locate the Reports section in QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in to your QuickBooks account, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a navigation panel there. Click on the Reports tab. This is your gateway to generating a variety of financial statements and analysis options that cater to your specific needs. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll want to turn your focus to the Standard Reports tab. What you'll find here is a comprehensive list of common reports and summaries that QuickBooks has prepared for your convenience. This includes everything from profit and loss statements to balance sheets and sales summaries, which are invaluable for understanding various aspects of your business. Take a moment to explore these options to familiarize yourself with what's available. When you've identified the report you need, simply select it to initiate the generation process. Once you've done this, QuickBooks will take a moment to compile the data based on the parameters of the report you've chosen. You'll see a loading screen briefly as the software works in the background to prepare your results. Once the report is ready, it will be displayed on your screen. Now, don't worry if the data doesn't match your expectations right away. QuickBooks allows you to refine and tailor the report further. Look towards the top left of the report screen. Here, you can adjust the report period by selecting the desired start and end dates. This allows you to focus on the specific time frame you're interested in, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or yearly performance you want to review. Moreover, you have the flexibility to choose the accounting method you want your report to follow. Just above where you adjusted the report period, you'll find options for the accounting method, cash or accrual. Selecting the appropriate method can give you different perspectives on your financial performance, depending on whether you want to track real-time cash flow or account for revenues and expenses when they are incurred. And that's all you need to know. With these simple steps, running reports in QuickBooks Online can become a seamless part of your routine. By regularly analyzing your reports, you'll ensure that you have a clear understanding of your financial health, helping you make well-informed decisions for the future of your business. Remember, being proactive with your reporting is key to maintaining a thriving business. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!